Bowen's disease, radiodermatitis, and leukoplakia. Okay, completed this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Examiner will now ask you, can you mention some other chronic irritants which can lead to a squamous cell cancer? So that means pre-malignant के बाद you can be asked about, can you also mention some causes of chronic irritation that can make you diagnose a squamous cell cancer in that lesion? The answer for this is, if there is a special type called as Kangri cancer, which is seen in Kashmir, okay, and is due to keeping charcoal. Where is it kept? People in the Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, people in the Kashmir and the Himachal Pradesh keep a small earthen pot in between their thighs, which is known to contain charcoal, and is known to keep them warm. The main pathology then is that this area forms a squamous cell cancer. This is called as a Kangri cancer, Cangri, Kangri cancer. Okay. If you go to Tibet, the same pot is kept on the abdomen while people sleep. And so they get an abdominal wall, squamous cell cancer. That was Kangri. This is called as Kang cancer. Okay. Then there was a thing called chimney sweeper. Again, community medicine stories. Then chimney sweepers have cancers on the inner aspect of the thigh and the scrotum. This is again due to the coal tar. So you are required to know three names: Kangri, Kang, chimney sweepers cancer. Please tell me when you have completed writing. Hello.
Sir, chimney sweeper ta revolve করুন না.
Chimney sweeper is inner aspect of the thigh and the scrotum due to coal tar. Complete?
Done.
Yes, sir.
Done? Now I will erase this point, and then, what are the common sites of squamous cell cancer in the human body? What are the common sites of squamous cell cancer in the human body? What are the common sites of squamous cell cancer in the human body? The answers are exposed parts of the body, that includes limbs, lower leg and upper leg, face, are the common sites of squamous cell cancer in the human body. Just allow me a minute to write. Right, so what are the common sites? The common sites are limb and face. Limb mane lower limb and upper limb, because this is exposed to the sunlight, and then this. It can also occur in the mucocutaneous junction, like the oral cavity, like the cervix, like the penis, and in the oral cavity I should have said the tongue and the buccal mucosa. But definitely the etiologies are very different at each of these places. They are required to know this. Squamous cell cancers can occur in particular organs. Can you know such organs where they occur? Yes, sir. They are known to occur in the
বুঝলো কি করে?
upper part of the esophagus and the hypopharynx. They are also known to occur in the which part, sir? The bronchus. They are known to occur in the urinary bladder. Remember the bladder cancer class due to chronic irritation. And in Egypt, can you tell me what is the disease that leads to squamous cell cancer? Is schistosomiasis. Completed, sir? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. After these are done, so we have now come to that disease again. If you have completed this, let us come to the disease or the case proper. At this point, the examiner will ask you, okay, you know these things well. How will you proceed in this patient to do the rest of the diagnosis? What is your answer? How will you proceed in this patient? How will you proceed in this patient? What is the answer for this one, sir? Sir, I will like to confirm my diagnosis by taking a biopsy. What will I do? I will like to confirm my diagnosis by taking a biopsy. Okay? What is the biopsy that you will take? Remember that, understand this problem because this is a confusion that many people have. If you take this kind of a biopsy, can you see in the screens the biopsy that I have taken? Hello?
Yes.
This biopsy involves a part of the normal tissue and a part of the ulcer. This kind of biopsy is called as a edge biopsy. Edge biopsy. Edge biopsy. Why do you think I take this edge biopsy? Why do you think I take the edge biopsy? One line answer, please.
So that I can compare.
No, you cannot.
More
Sir,
dividing
this is the
cell.
wrong answer.
Margin positivity.
Not margin positivity. Why do I need to take an edge cancer biopsy? I'm not talking of the surgical margin. Because of one only single answer.
More
Exactly.
dividing
Exactly. The more dividing cells or the more amount of proliferation is occurring at the margin or the edge of the ulcer. Please do not say I want a normal tissue and an abnormal tissue to compare. Pathologists are very well read people. They are experts. They don't need a normal tissue to compare with the abnormal. But they want to see a dividing cell, and that is what is required. However, if you take a biopsy from the center, that called of biopsy is not called as edge. It is called as wedge biopsy. It is usually not a very good biopsy, and a wedge biopsy looks somewhat like a pizza cone. So if you are taking a pizza, definitely you will not be taking a square part. You may be taking a pizza-like cone. So this is technically called as a wedge biopsy. Which one do you think is more informative, edge or wedge?
edge.
Edge biopsy is better. This is something that an MBBS student is asked in an exam. What is edge biopsy? What is wedge biopsy? Have you completed writing?
Yes.
Okay. So the first job is you need to confirm by biopsy. Good students are asked, what do you get to see on the histopathology? Where you taught this in pathology, sir?
Keratin fund.
पहला वर्ड केराटिन फल नहीं है डॉक्टर साहब. पहला वर्ड क्या है? पहला वर्ड इज एपिथेलियल नेस्ट. ओके, दैट मीन्स which are invasive epithelial nest. इसके बाद क्या है? केराटिन pearl. Very good. Honors getting question. Can you tell me how does the cell look like? Sir, the cell looks like vesicular nuclei, or क्या Dr. Prasad? Prominent nucleoli and abundant cytoplasm. Seen? Hello.
Yes, sir.
An honors getting question of which I will not be giving you the answer. Can you tell me what are the sites in a squamous cell cancer? In which parts of the body you do not get to see a keratin pearl? I am not going to give you the answer. You are going to search for that and you are going to tell that to me. What are the sites in the body that you do not get a keratin pearl? Okay? Please tell me when you have completed writing, so that after you have confirmed, I need to do a staging. In MBBS, we are not required to know the staging of a squamous cell cancer, but if you want to see the depth of infiltration, is done usually by undergoing an X-ray, which will show invasion of the bone, or a better picture will be by doing an MRI, which is going to show about the soft tissue involvement. Final few words. Okay. I will plan a surgery. What is that? Okay. Now, what are the modalities in treatment? Sir, there are two modalities. You are giving a surgery exam. So, number one modality is surgical excision. And number two modality, as an alternative to surgery, you can plan a radiotherapy and or radiotherapy plus chemotherapy. Have you completed writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, important points are, what are the principles of surgery? What are the principles of surgery? The principles of surgery includes a wide local excision. Point number two, the margin is at least 1 centimeter margin. Number two, if lymph nodes are palpable, then to do an FNAC from the lymph node. If the lymph node is positive on FNAC of cancer, go for a radical block dissection of that lymph node. Okay? Rarely, as in this patient, you may need an amputation in late case. Have you completed writing, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So this completes this one. Now, the last question, I think, and this will be the last case, the last question of this case. When will you advise for radiotherapy? When to do radiotherapy? Sir, the important points in radiotherapy are, remember that, particularly the patient does not want surgery. The patient does not want surgery. This is the first point. Number two, post-surgery recurrence. Post-surgery recurrence. Okay? Hello?
Done.
Yes,
Take na? Okay. Let me see whether I have a Marjolin's ulcer or not. No, I don't have a Marjolin's. So what I think is that with this thing, I will usually do the Marjolins and then we take a 5 minutes break and then come back to a basal cell cancer. Now, what is a Marjolin's ulcer? Marjolin's ulcer is a short note, is rarely a short case. Now, Marjolin's ulcer is exactly the same thing of a squamous cell cancer that arises in a scar. In a scar, mane, what is a scar? Scar can be a burn scar or a burn wound scar. Like yesterday, I had one of my such patients in the OPD. It was a beautiful, picture perfect case of a Marjolin. Usually, the duration of burn is 10 to 20-year-old scar, or it could be the scar from a venous ulcer, which is not healing. Sometimes even there are scars from other diseases like post-surgical scars, etc. But they are very rare that are seen. Now, what is the difference between a classic SCC of differentiation? Low, intermediate and high. A Marjolin, on the other hand, is always considered poorly differentiated. Point number 2. This spreads to lymphatics, but this does not spread to lymphatics. Can you tell me why does it not spread to lymphatic? Can you tell me why does a Marjolin?
It is occurring from the scar.
Due to scar.
Because the scar does not have lymphatics. But that also means a very important finding. If an Marjolin goes beyond a scar and invades the normal tissues, then it will be very rapidly spreading. Have I made you understand this point, sir? If it goes beyond a scar and then it goes into a very rapid mode of spread. Okay? The margin that we take in a Marjolin, in a classic SCC is 1 centimeter. In a Marjolin, we take a 2 centimeter margin, and not only do we take out the cancer, we also take out as much as the old scar is excised also. Have you completed writing, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this completes a very important group of short cases for you. Take a 5 minutes break.
স্যার লাস্টে পয়েন্টটা একবার বলুন, ওই 1 সেন্টিমিটার মার্জিন সহ কেটে নেওয়া হয় নাকি?
No. In a Marjolin classical SCC, what is the margin that I take, sir? Can you see the margin? This 1 centimeter margin is a 3-dimensional margin. Okay, we take a 3D margin. But remember, in a Marjolin, if it was a Marjolin, that means in an old scar, I will take a 2 centimeter margin and then take the rest of the scar, because I know that scar is premalignant. Hello?
স্যার মানে এক্সিশনের সময় তো এক্সট্রা 1 সেন্টিমিটার আর এখানে 2 সেন্টিমিটার কেটে
এখানে 2 সেন্টিমিটার নিয়ে নেওয়া হবে।
ওকে স্যার, থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
Okay, so this completes a very important group of your cases. So when you come back, we start with talking about basal cell cancers, melanomas, and then after melanomas etc. are done, we talk about the head neck diseases also. And head neck means oral cancers, leukoplakias, erythroplakias also. Take a quick break. It is 11:48. By 11:52 we start again. Thank you.